Welcome to our Parsimony tutorial on updating opening balances using journal entry. In this video, we'll explore how to adjust opening balances using journal entry, ensuring accurate financial records in your organization. Let's begin by navigating to the Accounting module on the Parsimony dashboard. Click on Accounting to access the tools for managing financial transactions. Within the Accounting module, we'll use journal entry to update opening balances. Click on Journal Entry to create a new journal entry. In the journal entry form, you'll record the adjustments to the opening balances. Start by entering the posting date for the journal entry. This should be the first day of your fiscal year. Next, enter the accounts you want to adjust in the debit and credit sections. Select the account you want to adjust the opening balance for in the debit section. Enter the amount you want to increase the opening balance by. In the credit section, select an offsetting account. This could be an equity account or another appropriate account. Enter the same amount but with a negative sign to balance the journal entry. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click Save to create the journal entry. Review the journal entry to ensure accuracy. Finally, click Submit to post the journal entry and update the opening balances. Well done! You've learned how to update opening balances using journal entry in Parsimony, ensuring accurate financial records for your organization. Thank you for watching this tutorial.